Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you the expected cutoff of round 3 or mop-up round for top most college under WBJE, or you can say top 3 college under WBJE. First is the IEM Institute of Engineering and Management Salt Lake, Kolkata. Second is the Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata, Wonderful College under WBJE. And next is the top most college at the Technomen Salt Lake. Technomen Salt Lake, that is situated basically core city of Kolkata. So I will give you the expected cutoff for round 3 mop-up round. Before moving to the video, guys, let me tell you that these all the cutoff trend. I am going to tell you that all based on the completely on mathematics, statistics, previous day, or you can say previous year cutoff analysis, this year cutoff trend and all things. Okay, because guys, you know very well that no one can tell you the exact cutoff, but I am telling you the expected cutoff for all these round. Okay. So if you are planning to get into this college, or if you have opting for mop-up round, then this video will really helpful for you. So make sure to buy the video completely. So first of all, guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important video. Because in the coming videos, I will provide you various important things. Okay, I have already uploaded various important videos related to the how can you do the choice filling for the mop-up round, what should be taken in mind before taking admission to any college. भाई मैं ये सब कॉलेज का रिव्यू बना चुका हूँ, IEM, टेक्नोमेन, ऑल थिंग्स. सो यू कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम दैट. और आने वाले दिनों में भाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो और व्हाट विल बी द सिलेबस, व्हाट द PCA मार्क्स, CA मार्क्स, हाउ टू डील विद द लैब सब्जेक्ट, हाउ टू डील विद द थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट. सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट्स इन कमिंग डेज. सो मेक श्योर टू सपोर्ट माई चैनल भाई. सो मूव करते हैं अपना वीडियो की ओर. So talking about the expected cutoff for the IEM Kolkata, what will the expected cutoff for round 3 mop-up rounds, or for talking about the BTech in CSC. So if you are planning to get in the CSC, right, there will be strong competition or tough competition for the BTech in CSC. You have to be under the 2600, you can say 2700 के आसपास, and you can easily get into this CSC. For the BTech in EC, you have to be under the 8200, and for the BTech in CSBS अगर आप करेंगे भाई 8600 और 700 के आसपास भी है, then you can easily get the IEM Kolkata. For moving to the electrical and electronics engineering, if you have rank under the 9900, or you can say approx 10200 rank, then you can easily get into this. This is all the cutoff for the general candidates. Okay, and for the BTech in electrical engineering, you have to be under the 13292. For the BTech in mechanical engineering, you have to be under the 19286. So this is all about the for the general candidates. Okay, so talking about the tier W candidates, if you belong to tier W candidates, then guys, this is really a tough competition. There may be happen that no variation will take place, or little bit 1 or 2, or you can say 10 to 20 variation will be take place, not much more. Why? Because tier W seats are limited and no one going to leave this seat. Okay, so for the BTech in CSC, you have to be under the 3982. For the BTech in ECE, you have to be under the 3255. Sorry, 3989. And for the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 2682. For the BTech in CSBS, you have to be under the 3635. And for the BTech in electronics and communication engineering, you have to be under the 4700. Why? If you are planning to get in the electrical engineering, you have to be under the 6789. For the BTech in mechanical engineering, you have to be under the 7232. So this is all the expected cutoff for the IEM Kolkata tier W candidates. Moving to the next top most important college under WBJE, that is the Heritage Institute of Technology. Before moving, guys, let me tell you that I have already made a detailed review of all these colleges, pros and cons, comparison between all these colleges, what will the placement scenario of these college, about the campus and all things. So if you are planning to get admission into these college, or if you have already enrolled in this college, then you can check out that video. That will really helpful for you in deciding whether I should choose this college or not. Okay, so let me move to next important college, that is the Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata. So what will the expected cutoff of that? So you can clearly get the view of the Heritage Institute of Technology. This is really a marvelous college, and according to me, भाई Heritage is topper than, or you can say topmost college than the IEM. IEM से भाई मैं इसको top पे रखता हूँ because of the campus size and all the facilities, placement and all things available. Okay, no doubt IEM is also marvelous college, but according to me, I am giving the priority Heritage top. So what is the cutoff for the general candidates? So if you belong to general candidates and want to take CSC, then it's a tough competition. You have to be under the 3389. Okay, and this may be variate up to 3400, but not much more variation for the CSC. Because no one want to leave that seat. For the BTech in electronics and communication engineering, you have to be under the 7900, or you can say approx 8000. So for BTech in electrical engineering, you have to be under the 11000, and for the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 4,800. Okay, so if you are rank within this, then you can, there is a strong chance it will get into this. Again, I am saying why this is the expected cutoff, and there may be some variation take place. Okay, for the BTech in CSBS, you have to be under the 7,800, and for the BTech in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, you have to be under 13,285. Similarly, talking about the mechanical engineering, if you have a rank under the 24,000, then you can easily get the Heritage Institute of Technology. So this is all the expected cut of the Heritage topmost college under WBJE. Moving to our next very important college under WBJE, that is the Technomen Salt Lake. So what will the expected cutoff for the round 3 and or mop-up round? So बात करते हैं भाई Technomen Salt Lake. Guys, before giving you the view of the Technomen Salt Lake, please, I have missed the TFW candidates for the Heritage. So if you belong to the TFW candidate, what will the expected cutoff for the Heritage? So for the BTech in CSU, you have to be under the 4,040. I am talking about the Heritage, okay, TFW candidates. So sorry for the rest, okay. So talking about the Electronics and Communication Engineering, you have to be under the 4,892. For the BTech in Electrical Engineering, 7,332. This is all the expected cutoff for the Heritage Institute of Technology TFW candidates. For the BTech in CSBS, you have to be under the 4,232. For the BTech in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, you have to be under the 9,439. And for the BTech in Mechanical Engineering, you have to be under the 13,000. So अगर वही आप करेंगे इसके आसपास है, then you can easily get the Heritage TFW. Okay. So talking about the Technomen Salt Lake, what is the expected cutoff for Technomen Salt Lake? So I am giving you the expected cutoff for round 3 of Technomen Salt Lake. Before moving to the guys, let me tell you about the something about the Technomen Salt Lake. Actually, this is the Techno India. This is the group. This is a college came under the Techno India group, and variety of colleges present under the Techno India group. But this is one of the marvelous college and topmost college. And don't get confused in Technomen Salt Lake and Techno University, because while every year there are many students that got confused between the Technomen Salt Lake and Techno University. Okay, actually I am sharing one of the story of the short story of my friend that he have opted for the Techno University rather than Technomen Salt Lake, and he have ranked 3,000. Then actually he have to leave that counseling. Okay, so be careful if you are choosing that. So बात करते हैं the expected cutoff for round 3. So if you belong to general candidate, so you have to be under the 5,200 अगर इसके आसपास है, or you can say 5,300 के आसपास है, then there is a chance, again saying the chance, then you can get for the mop-up round, because mop-up round depend on the number of students that participated and various other factors that I have already talked in the other video. So if you can check out that part of the criteria. So for the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 6,900, or you can say approx 7,000. For BTech in EC, you have to be under the 11,282. For the BTech in CSBS, you have to be under the 12,092, and for the BTech in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, you have to be under the 40,000 rank. So भाई इसके around rank है, then you can easily get into the Technomen Salt Lake topmost college. For the BTech in Civil Engineering, you can get up to 63,000. But I am suggesting you guys, please don't take this college for the civil engineering. If you are planning to get, then you can opt for the Heritage or IM. So these are the other college that is good rather than this. Okay. So talking about the BTech in Food Technology, if you are planning to get, then you have to be under 61,000. So this is all the general candidates. Talking about the TFW candidates, for the TFW candidates, make in mind that there will be a tough competition, or there will be little variation or no variation will take place. So for the BTech in CSC, you have to be under the 5,126, and for the BTech in IT, you have to be under the 4,600, and for the BTech in ECE, you have to be another 6,239. So talking about similarly for the BTech in CSBS, you have to be under the 6,639, and for the BTech in Mechanical Engineering, you have to be under the 15,286. So this is all the for the TFW candidates. Talking about the BTech in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, you have to be under the 14,835. For the BTech in Civil Engineering, you have to be under the 21,982. Similarly, talking about the Food Technology, if you are planning to get the Food Technology, you have to be under the 17,000, or you can say up to 18,000 rank, then you can easily get the Food Technology in this topmost college. So guys, this is all the college cut off for the mop-up round. I hope this video really helpful for you in deciding the college that whether I should choose or not. And remember guys, if you are planning for the mop-up round, then be careful before taking admission, because many of the colleges are saying that I will not going to refund in the mop-up round. Actually, this is the false loophole of the WBJE counseling whole process. Okay, actually I have already made a particular video of the scam or exposing the all private college, because they are saying that if you go for the mop-up round and suppose you have allotted a new college, then I am not going to refund. That is not good. So be careful before taking admission and all things. और आप भाई कॉलेज से अच्छा से बात कर लें that you will refunded or not, क्योंकि many colleges have refunded and they may basically deduct 10% or 20% fee, but many colleges refunded, but about more than 30 to 40% college they are not going to refund. So be careful and going for the mop-up round and all things. So guys, this is all the important video about that. I hope this video will really helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure to support my channel for providing such important video. Because bhai, in coming days I will provide very important video about the syllabus, about the all things. Okay, so make sure to support my channel भाई, because आप लोग के लिए भाई बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. If you are observing me, then I am continuously providing the video from the before counseling started to up to now, and after that I will provide it. So आपका और मेरा साथ भाई ये WA counseling तक नहीं, after that will too. So make sure to support guys, please. So this is all the video, or that like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and support my channel. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.
Yeah.